Today we'll start with volleyball session. We'll begin with passing the ball. Come, I'll show you few tricks, techniques, whatever you think, how to play correct volleyball. Correct volleyball, you have to see the position of the hand, stance position, whatever I'll teach you. Okay, ready? Come on, Shubham. Hold the ball. Now see, this, give the ball. Now this hand should be straight and flat. This part, this is wrong. This should be flat, straight. This finger position, it should be, the palm should be on top of each other, the thumb should be parallel to each other, and it should be tight. Okay, this position, this is the position. Okay, this palm should be tight, thumb should be parallel to each other, and the hand should be straight and flat. Okay, show. Now the ball position, the ball should strike where you hit, where you wear the wristwatch. Where you wear the wristwatch, this part, you should strike the ball from this part of the hand. Okay, I'll show you. Just strike the ball. Okay, now stance position. This is wrong, this position is wrong. Okay, standing straight, it is wrong. So you have to stand this shoulder of the width, little more than the shoulder of the width. Okay, this is the shoulder, little more than the shoulder width of the shoulder, and the leg position, it should be little more than the shoulder width. Okay, then the leg position, stance, this. Okay, now you have to bend. Left knee should bend. This should be straight like this. This. Understood? Take your stance. Okay. This is clear, I think. Now angling the ball in different positions, okay, different places. Suppose your partner is towards your left. How to pass towards your left? If the partner is towards the right, how to pass towards the right? To pass to angle the ball, you have to use your shoulder this way. This is the stance. This is the hand position towards your right. This is your partner. Towards your left. Okay, I'll show you. I'm passing him towards the left. See, he's using his shoulder. Now he's passed towards the right. Good. The ball is going towards his right. Again towards his left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Is it okay? Understood? He is using his shoulder to pass. This drill you can do with your aunt, uncle, daddy, mummy at home. This you can do. Now whatever the drill we have done, I'll show you from the beginning. Okay, just see the hand position. This is the hand position. It should be straight. This part should be straight and flat. Okay, This is straight, flat. When you contact the ball, when you pass the ball, you should hit from this part where the wrist watch. This is the wrist watch position. You hit the ball from this part. Now the fingers should be tight. Thumb should be parallel to each other. This thumb should be parallel. It should be tight. Now when you strike the ball, he strikes from this part where he wears the wristwatch. Understood? Where you wear the wristwatch, from that part you have to strike the ball. Okay? Show. Just do. See this part. Okay? Then the stance. Take the stance. See, he is standing. Okay? Now look at his legs. Okay? This is more than the shoulder level. Stand straight. See, shoulder width, and see his legs. It is little more than the shoulder width. Okay? Now he will bend his knees. Left leg is little front. Left leg. When he collects the ball, when he passes the ball, this left leg or the right leg, left or right, both are same. Okay? Understood? Now I am passing the ball to him. See. Now suppose the ball comes to the chest level. Now in that time what you have to do? This is your stance. Suppose the ball is coming to the chest level, the right leg goes back like this. Suppose the ball is coming in the chest level. Okay? This is your stance. The ball is coming to the chest level. The right leg goes back and the hand this place like this. Then you hit the ball. I'll show. Okay? Chest level. Just use your shoulder. Move your shoulder, the leg. Bring your hand like this. Then the drill part. Shoulder angle. Okay? He is using the shoulder angle. Left. The ball goes to the left. He passes to me. The ball goes to the right. He passes to me. Again the ball goes to the left. He passes to me. This you can do 5 times. At least 5 times. Towards the left and towards your right. Now we are passing to each other. Okay? See our stance. Hand position. We are passing towards the left and right. This drill you can do these. Okay? Understood? So for today, this much is okay. Or you want more? In the next session, we'll do the other part of volleyball. Thank you. Take rest. God bless. Thank you.